Now, for assembly of the vanities, the traditional method is following a paper manual for step-by-step instructions, or another way would be following a video. So for all of you visual learners, we want to create a shortcut video that will apply to most of our wall mount vanities to give you easy instructions and a visual look on how to assemble them. Okay, so today we are in luck. We have Mike here. He has many years in the cabinet industry, so he has lots of experience to help us assemble one of these vanities. So the first thing you do when you unbox the vanity is you want to organize all of the parts. So typically with vanities, you're going to have three main parts. You're going to have the front part, the doors that you're going to see. You have the box, the overall box of the vanity, and then you're going to have any drawers if the vanity has drawers. So the first step is you're going to want to take all of these lifted screws with the black plastic and then put them in their designated locations. So you take all the parts, put those screws in there. And so after that, there might also be a couple wooden dowels. So you find the locations for those to go and you insert those. And then you're going to start putting it together. So you have the bottom down here. And then when you're putting in the side support here and the middle drawer, you want to make sure to put those together first, then drop them all down into the corresponding screws. And then you're going to have these metal locking brackets here. So you're going to put those in as you put these screws together. Okay, so we have the bottom with the side support here. We need to attach all of those to the middle part, and then we can put on the sides for to finish the box. All right, and so for the drawers, it's going to be similar to the box. We're going to have the bottom, and then you're going to put it on the back, and then the sides, and then the front door. And then just a reminder, these instructions are specific to our particular vanities, so they might not apply to different brands or different types. With the drawer slides, you have two different sides, and you have a lot of different holes that might be confusing for putting which one to line up with the holes in the cabinet. And so the easiest way to do that is start at the bottom, put the bottom one on, and then bring it as close to the front as possible. And then whatever hole the screw hole lines up with, which happens to be the second one over in the top row, and then the back screw will line up with the second one from the end on the top row as well. So then for the top section, you're also going to just want to match that, so it's the second one top row, second one from the back top row. Okay, so for installing the drawers, you're going to have little holes in the back here, and then little holes on the bottom here. And so with the slides, you have little hooks in the back. Yep. They're going to line up with the holes. So you pull the slides out. You're going to push the drawer in. There's a washer here, so all you have to do is twist it, and then it will raise it up a little bit so you can make it nice and even.
Beautiful.
So you're going to place them into position on the door. Then you just have a screw on either side to tighten those down. Okay, and so after you put it in the door, it might not line up correctly, and you might need to make some adjustments with that as well. So if we open it up, on the inner brackets, we're going to have two screws. The screw towards the outside will adjust the brackets left and right, and then the screw in the back will adjust the brackets front and back. So in our case, we had a left and right issue, so we are just going to adjust it a little bit so that we can bring in the door. No more contact. Closes nicely. Very important, you need to make sure you put the metal brackets into the corners. So you're just going to put it in the corner and put it halfway or right in the middle of the support bracket back here, and then screw it in. And the last step before installation, we'll be putting on the handles. So the handles are set up so you can do it however you want to. With the door, you can put it vertical, you can put it horizontal at the top, and then same thing with the drawers. You could put it right in the middle, you could put it a little bit higher, a little bit lower, completely up to you. So you just figure out where you want it, and then you map the holes. You put a 1/8 inch drill bit into the door and the drawer, and then you screw in the handle from the back.